Here's our book. We will be studying today, well, Wordy Wise 5. Okay? So in here, you can see here some vocabulary words. Okay, so Harry, we are going to study the meaning of each words. Okay? Okay, Harry?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so now here we have here the first word. Okay, can you read this one for me?
Accustomed.
Okay, accustom. Okay, accustom is do you know what is this here?
Verb.
Okay, it's a verb. What is a verb, Harry? If you can still remember your lesson. What
What
is a verb?
verb is like we act.
Okay, yes. You act something. Okay, so verb is an action word. Can you say?
A verb is an action word.
Okay, great. It's an action word, something that we do. Okay, it involves action. Okay, so the meaning of a custom is what is it?
To make familiar.
Okay, to make familiar. Okay, so can you read the meaning of it?
Every fall the students accustom themselves to the new schedule.
Okay, great. So every fall, the students accustom themselves to the new schedule, right? Okay, because there is always a new schedule, especially with the classes when it's fall, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so here, look at this one, accustom. Okay, so there is another word, okay, for accustom. Okay, so you can see here accustomed is an adjective. Okay, so now we talked about a while ago a verb, right? So how about an adjective? What is an adjective?
Like adjective.
It's
Uh,
okay. If you can still remember your um a verb, adjective, pronoun, something like that, it's fine. Okay, so what can you remember about adjective?
mm,
Okay, so if you don't know, it's okay. So accustomed is an adjective. Okay, adjective means a word that describes a noun. Okay, so accustomed is the meaning of that is usual. Okay, usual. Okay, so you can see here there is a difference. Okay, this one is accustomed with M. This one is accustomed with ED. Okay, so you need to be very careful in reading this one. Harry, okay, so read the example sentence for accustomed.
we sat in our accustomed place.
Okay, we sat in our accustomed places.
Places.
Yes, very good. Okay, we sat in our accustomed places. Okay, look at this one. If you can read this word and try to uh analyze the meaning of accustomed, it means the person or they sat in their accustomed places. So usual places. For example, okay, um for example, it's a usual place where you sit down or where you sit. Okay, so for example, you go to the park. Okay, you go to the park, um, Harry. Okay, so you go to the park and there is a certain or a usual place where you sit down when you go to that park. Okay, that like that is your usual place. Okay, so that is a custom. Okay, Harry?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So that is a custom. For example, like a custom place for playing soccer. Okay. Do you have a usual place where you play soccer, Harry?
I don't have a usual place. I'm just kicking.
I mean, like for example, a custom soccer field. Like
Uh,
you usually play to this soccer field. Do you
uh,
have that, Harry? Like
uh,
you told me you always play soccer, right? So
yeah,
there is a field where you play soccer,
yeah.
right? There is a field where you play soccer. So that is your accustomed uh soccer field. Okay, that's
School
the
soccer,
use. Yes. So you have the accustomed soccer field.
school soccer field, I said.
Oh, that's your school soccer field. That is your accustomed soccer field. Okay. So that is a usual place for you to play soccer. Okay. So you understand the accustomed, a usual place. Okay. So
Okay.
next is another meaning of accustomed. Harry is used to. Okay, used to. It means, okay, you are used already to it. So, for example, for you to be able, Harry, to understand the word, okay, or the meaning of used to, there is a sentence. Okay, let's read. Can you read, Harry?
My eyes soon became accustomed to the dark.
Okay, my eyes soon became accustomed to the dark. So this sentence, Harry, okay, this sentence, Harry, for example, okay, you are scared of the dark. Are you scared of the dark, Harry?
No,
No. So you are accustomed to the dark. You are used to with the dark. Okay? Like for example, you are not scared already because you are used to it. You are familiar already. Okay? So you're not scared. Okay, Harry? And also, like for example, um, sometimes you don't wake up early in the morning, okay? But you will be accustomed in waking up in the morning because you will be used to it. Okay? Okay, Harry. So now that is accustomed, you to make familiar when it's a verb. Okay, when it's an adjective, it's a usual or you are used to. Okay, Harry. So next we have here another word. What word is that, Harry?
alert,
Okay, alert. Alert is an adjective. What does it mean?
watchful, wide awake.
Okay, watchful or wide awake. So look at the example or the meaning there or the example sentence. Can you read this one?
The shortstop was not alert and missed the catch.
Okay, missed. Can you say missed?
Yeah,
Missed. Can you say missed?
yeah,
Okay. So now here, alert, okay, watchful and being wide awake. So for example, will say, "Oh, please be alert," right? So you need to be alert, watchful. Need to look at everywhere. You need to be alert. So the shortstop was not alert and missed the catch. Okay, not being watchful. That's why he or she missed the catch. Okay, next. When it is a verb, Harry. Okay, when it is a verb, what does it mean? Can you read?
to warn, to be ready.
Okay, to warn, to be ready. Okay, you need to be ready. It's being alert. So look at this. Can you read the example sentence?
A sign alerted drive, drivers to the flo, flo, flooded road ahead.
Okay, flooded road ahead.
Flooded
Flooded
road
road
ahead.
ahead. Okay, so you can see here, Harry, when we use the word alert into a verb, it becomes an action word. So you need to be ready. Okay, so for example, okay, Harry, um, please be alert of the storm. Okay, so you need to be ready because there is a storm. So there's sometimes like it's something like a warning for you to be ready. Okay? Yes. Okay, so now here, when we use it as a noun, okay, it is a warning signal. Okay, it is a warning signal. So look at this. Because of the forest fires, the nearby towns have a fire
Alert.
alert. Yes, so the word alert here in this sentence is being used as a noun. So to have a fire alert. So it is a warning signal. Okay? So alert, Harry, is being watchful as an adjective. When it's a verb, you need to be ready. Okay? And when it's a noun, it's a warning signal. Okay, Harry?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, the next word we have here is
A sign.
yes, it's a sign. So a sign, Harry, it's a verb. Okay, what does it mean? Can you read the meaning of the word assign?
To select for a position or for what has to be done.
Okay, to select for a position or for what has to be done. So, example sentence, Harry, for this year's basketball team, the coach assigned me to play as a forward. So, Harry, you play soccer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your coach assigned you to a position, right? What is your position in your soccer team?
Um, left wing.
Left wing, yeah. So it means that is your assigned position. So your coach select you for a position, right? So your coach assigned you. That is assigned. Okay? Okay, next. How about this one? Number two. Okay, to give out a
Give
piece of work to be done. Okay, to give out a piece of work to be done. So now, look at the example sentence here. Can you read?
Our science teacher usually assigns 2 chapters a week as homework.
Okay, so you can see here, this sentence here, okay, gives the meaning of the word assign because the teacher assigns two chapters a week as a homework. So imagine that there's a lot of homework. So it's a sign giving out a piece of work to be done. So that is the meaning of assign. So Harry, does your teacher assigns you homework every day?
Of course.
Of course, there is. So that is a sign. There is also another one, okay, which begins with the word assign. Okay, I think we are familiar with it. Okay, so can you read?
Assignment.
Okay, so assignment. Assignment is a
Whatever is given out as work to be done.
okay. So assignment is whatever is what is given out as work to be done. Okay, so you can see here we are familiar with it because you have assignment, right? Your teacher gave you assignment. So look at the example sentence. What was the assignment for tomorrow's history class? Okay, so Harry, that is the word assign. Assign is different when we use it as a verb. So there are two things when we use it as a verb. It's a position given or a piece of work. Okay? Now, how about this one?
Read it.
Yes, can you read it?
But
Budge. Okay, budge. Budge is a word with an action. Okay? So, can you read the meaning of it?
to move or shift.
Okay. So, to move or to shift. So look at this one. Okay, the old metal truck was so heavy we could not budge it. Okay, we could not budge it. So now you can see that this one, the meaning there is you can to move. So but this one they cannot budge it. Okay, budge not, they cannot move it because it's so
Have
heavy. Yes. Can you try to make a sentence using this word?
uh, um like similar with the sentence.
You can try. You can make your own sentence, but just use the word budge.
Okay. Um. Uh. The cage was so big, so I could not budge it.
Okay, great. How about the word? Okay, how about the word um assigned? Okay, assigned.
Um. Today, my soccer coach assigned me to do right wing.
Okay. Yes. Okay, great. How about the word? Okay, how about the word accustomed?
Accustomed.
Yeah.
Um. um Accustomed.
Yeah, accustomed. Okay, can you make a sentence using the word accustomed? You have
I,
the meaning there.
we can use verb, adjective, or something.
What is it?
We can we have to make a custom sentence. Email like a custom is verb or adjective.
It depends on you on how you are going to use it. The important thing is you are going to make a sentence, okay?
Then I'll use adjective.
Okay, then you will use adjective. That's good.
Um, I went to a custom park to play with my parrot.
Okay, I went to our accustomed park to play with my
Parrot
parents. Okay, great. That's good. Okay, how about alert?
alert.
Yes, how about alert?
Uh, Please alert. If you don't alert, you have
Please.
accident.
Okay, please be alert. Okay, it's better to say please be alert
Please be
so
alert.
that you will not get into accident. Okay, so that's the good sentence. Okay, great. So next word we have here. Okay, read.
Barely.
Okay, what is it?
Big and strongly built.
Okay, it's okay. Burly is a
Big and
big and strongly built. Okay, so it's an adjective. So it describes a noun. Okay, it describes a noun. So burly, big and strongly built. So most football players are quite burly. Okay, it means they are strong. They are big, right? Harry, do you agree? Do you
Mm,
agree, Harry, that football players are burly?
not burly, because some football player is like not big.
Are not big. But like for example, we will talk about Harry about the American football. Do you know American
Ah,
football?
yeah,
So if we talk about American football, they're
they're
really big, right? They're really burly, right? Because this they need to be strong, right? When they play the American football, right? That is burly. Okay, next we have here. What is
I
that?
think I read it.
This one? Okay, can you read this one?
Companion.
Companion. Okay, companion is a one, it's a noun, one who spends time with or does things with another. So, it's like for example, Harry, okay, my grandmother was always an interesting companion when we went to the city for the day. So a companion, Harry, is someone who is with you.